Hello happy people, this is your host CryptoPuffy and welcome to our today's show. In our introductory video on Star Atlas, we have reviewed the project and highlighted its main features. In general, Star Atlas is a massive multiplayer online metaverse that makes it possible for video game players to cash out their earnings they make from playing. It aims to introduce a unique gaming experience by harnessing the power of traditional core game and blockchain mechanics. If you missed the first video on Star Atlas and would like to watch it, please follow the link in the description below. In today's video, we are going to look at Rebirth, the new metaverse that was launched by Star Atlas very recently. Be sure to watch this video to the very end, especially if you are a fan of Star Atlas and you are super excited about their new projects. But before we jump into it, please note that the content here is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and is not to be used as financial advice. Your capital may be at risk. With that said, let's jump into it. Star Atlas is the project that allows you to monetize the time that you spend in the virtual world. It is a virtual gaming metaverse based in the year 2620. The design of the game is such that during this time in the future, there are three major factions that are constantly struggling for resources, territorial conquest, and political domination. These three factions are the MUD territory governed by humankind, the ONI region, which is dominated by alien races, and the USTUR sector controlled by sentient androids. In the game, you, as the faction citizen of Star Atlas, have the ability to influence the outcome of the conflict amongst these three factions. Think of this like different galaxies, for example. And while doing this, you have the opportunity to earn rewards for your contribution in the game, which makes your quest worthwhile and interesting at the same time. This new futuristic science fiction experience is made possible by major advancement in the recent space age technology. Also, the hybrid space genre of Star Atlas is another amazing aspect of the game. It is designed and works in the same way as a blockchain network. First is that at the core of how blockchain assets are proven to be legitimate and tangible is mining or staking. A miner needs to explore mined assets in order to discover them and unlock their value. Also, people set up mining or staking nodes and plug them into the blockchain network to enhance the network while also earning value from it. Apart from mining, the design and working of the game is also similar to the blockchain network in its grand strategy, exploration, roleplay, and spacefight simulation. The Star Atlas game also comprises some interesting features that any gamer in the 21st century will find amusing. From a deep space exploration, crew and ship component outfitting, faction security zones, all the way to its economics that allows players to extract in-game virtual earnings into real-world income. And as we mentioned in our previous video, this is done with complete support for a decentralized player-driven economy. The game is an amazing blend of state-of-the-art blockchain, real-time graphics, multiplayer video mechanics, and decentralized financial technologies. It has cinematic quality video game visuals, which are made possible by real-time graphics technology and Unreal Engine 5S Nanite. Star Atlas also provides a largely serverless and secure gameplay experience. As a gamer, it is possible for you to obtain non-fungible tokens and trade them within the platform. This creates an economy within the game that offers you the same experience of dealing with real-world assets. Star Atlas has recently launched Rebirth, the beginning of a new gaming metaverse. This is a new way for Star Atlas fans, better known as Atlassians, to participate in this launch through the sale of 14 Open Edition multimedia meta posters. What Star Atlas offers is to initiate all its fans into a metaverse that is completely on another level, where you will get the opportunity to enjoy a new gaming experience. Every Atlassian will be able to buy these meta posters from the Star Atlas official website and OpenSea marketplaces during the whole period of the sale, which is 14 weeks. For every week that you buy a meta poster, you have the opportunity to add a new NFT to your Rebirth collection. This will continue until the final weeks, around week 13, when it will be possible to buy 2 Tier 5 posters. For you to pick the final poster, which is completely free, on the 14th week and complete the full series, you will have to prove you've acquired all the other 13 posters. This is an interesting twist that Star Atlas added to the series to make it fun. In fact, Michael Wagner, the co-founder and CEO of Star Atlas, explained this briefly when he said, Part of the allure of Star Atlas is that it's an ongoing tour into the infinite unknown. We are creating a world so fully compelling and curious that Atlassians will want to dig deeper into the metaverse. Moving on to the poster itself, there are 3 features that are worth noting. Each poster has its own unique and immersive augmented reality (AR) experience, using sounds and visuals to create mood-altering effects. Each poster will also expand your living room into the furthest reaches of the universe, just like any other digital artwork. This will guarantee you a full audio and visual experience that moves in all directions. That's pretty cool, right? Lastly, if you combine other posters of the same tier, you'll get access to unique, one-of-a-kind and in-game rewards. The value you'll get from this will be amazing. So, in summary, here are the steps to the process of this release of the 14 super high definition meta posters. First, Star Atlas produces a meta poster. That will be authenticated by a music artist or XR artist. On the third place, Star Atlas and third-party marketplace make available as many copies as possible of the meta posters. Then the buyers of the meta posters will be able to mint the NFTs. Portion of the revenue and following sales are shared by Star Atlas and collaborators. And at the last, the NFT meta posters owners are then able to put up for sale the collectible they own at Star Atlas marketplace or any other marketplace where it will be available. That's pretty ambitious, right? In fact, the Star Atlas guys consider this a way of making virtual gaming activity as real as possible, hence bringing utility and rewards to both the virtual and the real world. And of course, they specify the rewards in detail of their posters. The meta posters delivery started on Saturday, 24th of April 2021 and will continue to take place every Saturday at 10 p.m. UTC. Each poster is open edition and will be available on the 2 marketplaces we already mentioned, Star Atlas and OpenSea. The poster price will rise with each new series, and the Tier 0 rewards will start at the first series. Tier 1 rewards will be received during the 3rd series. Tier 2 rewards will be received at the 6th series. Tier 4 rewards at the 12th series, and Tier 5 at the 13th series, which will happen on the 13th week. Interesting to note is that the 14th poster is absolutely free, but in order to get it, you will need to prove you bought all the previous 13 series. As an Atlassian, you have the chance to own, lease and sell posters as NFTs that you buy from each meta poster series. If you are lucky enough to collect these posters, then you will be able to access even more opportunities until the 24th of July, when the launch will happen. This is because on this day, all Open Editions posters will be converted into NFTs available as in-game rewards. Another fun aspect of this game is that if you buy a variety or all of the posters, you get the opportunity to unlock a lifetime treasure chest of exclusive metaverse incentives and rewards down the road. This was hinted by yet another co-founder and COO of Star Atlas, Pablo Quiroga, who said, "Each poster, no matter the tier, will provide a unique and immersive AR experience using sound effects and visuals that instantly transform your living room into the farthest reaches of the universe. The mood-altering effects, paired with the audio collaboration from some of Star Atlas' favorite musicians, will provide an experience like no other. Each poster will provide a metaverse-centric transformational experience that is out of this world." Then, Star Atlas is definitely stepping up the game world experience to a completely new level, while at the same time bringing utility and rewards found in the virtual world to the real world. If you still have any doubts about them being the next generation gaming metaverse, where you live out your dreams, you need to jump on board and experience the game for yourself. Remember when we said earlier in the video that Star Atlas provides a largely serverless and secure gameplay experience? Well, this wouldn't be possible if not for Solana Network. And this is mostly likely the reason why Star Atlas specifically announced on April 24th that they will be launching on the Solana blockchain. Solana is a single blockchain solution that runs on the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. It has developed more than 50 million blocks since the launch of its main network, with projects such as USDT, USDC, Audius, Terra, and Chainlink, all of which run on the Solana protocol. Solana uses a Tower BFT, which is a special POS-based consensus mechanism to achieve less latency and communication overhead. By integrating into Solana's thriving community, ecosystem, and unrivaled technology, Star Atlas will be accomplishing its overall ambition of creating a truly next-gen gaming metaverse. The launch of Star Atlas on Solana will bring in so many possibilities. It will make it possible for new game creators to create games and earn from them, and gamers from already created games to earn actual spendable cash. Last but not least, Star Atlas will also be announcing 2 more partnership agreements, licensing partnerships and creative artist collaboration. Apart from recent launch of Rebirth, the other major stride on the roadmap is the Galactic Asset Offering launch, basically the browser minigame launch, which is also happening on the 24th of July 2021. As always, there are plenty of information channels you can take advantage of in case you want to link up with Star Atlas team. From Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, all the way to their Medium blog. That's all we had for today, and we really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like the video if you got value from it, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell button so you never miss any videos like this one ever in your life. Until next time, bye bye!